ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kimrol Ali, and today I represent a new individual that has just been signed up. And what I'll be doing is going through the processes as to how to actually upload that code that confirms which account you signed up with. Now, in my case, I started with a trader package, and I was given a code that I need to upload. So I'm going to upload my trader package code. And how do I do that? I go into Shop, one of the tabs here, Shop, and you click on your right hand side here, you see Redeem Gift Code. So I'm going inside there. The gift code is the code that I am starting with, which is level 2 educational package. It's a trader package. So I'm going to just put in this code here right now. 3AF92COBF6. And then you put in the captcha that you see. Put this in common letters, Q, F, H, 2R, and redeem. As you see up top, it says Kimrol 3 is about to activate a trader. If you notice on the left hand side here, it's presently saying rookie. So this is the rookie account. It's a new account that I was signed up with. But as soon as I click OK, look what's going to happen. Right now, we have a promotion going on, so you're going to see what's going to happen next. They are asking, do you want to receive promotional tokens, or do you not want to receive promotional tokens? In this case, I'm going to enter, I want to receive promotional tokens, and I hope that will be what you're going to click in the future. We do want the promotional tokens so that we could participate in the splits and get the coins later on. So you click on Redeem, and because we have a promotion going on, this particular package would have initially given me 4,000 tokens. But there's a Wonder Wheel promotion that's happening right now. So all I have to do is click on Spin, and I have the opportunity of getting 25%, 50%, or 100% of tokens. What am I going to get here, ladies and gentlemen? Well, I got 25% extra tokens. So I click on Continue. And look at the dashboard here. You see it changed to a trader. So it's no longer a rookie, it's now a trader. And when I go on dashboard and I look at my tokens, I have 5,000 tokens. So this is very, very good, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of 4,000, I have an additional 1,000 tokens, now being 5,000. And of course, you can see below the splits that I have with this package is 0 of 1. And what the split barometer is and so forth at this point in time. Excellent. Well, I know you're very excited now. We've just signed up and put in all the relevant codes. And now you have, according to this package, I just uploaded a level 2 educational package. And of course, I must mention to you that you would have seen in this particular video that when I uploaded the codes, there was a spin the wheel promotion where we got 25, 50, or 100% extra tokens. That is just a promotion. So you will not in all cases see a spin the wheel. So don't expect for every purchase, every code that a spin the wheel will take place. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. The next step is that we will be dealing with KYC, how to upload your KYC documentation, and that will be dealt with in a subsequent video.